Okay, this is Orlando Wilson. What I want to talk about in this short video is an issue that I've come across quite a few times. I come across it recently with somebody, and that's getting clients to follow instructions, or clients to do as they're told. I was working on one case. It's more an investigation than CP job recently, and there was timings involved, and we had to be specific places. I'm working with a client on a something, and the client just didn't listen. The client he's a cool guy, but he lives in his own world, and I ended up, again, this is where you need good communications. Even though the good communications didn't work, in the end I had to say to him, put it politely, look, motherfucker, if you want this to work, this is what you have to do. If not, it's not going to work, and you're wasting my time. Because my patience was about out. And you know what? He listened a little bit. He took it seriously after that, because he understands what he's like. But this is where this wasn't so much, there wasn't a risk. Well, there's always risks involved. This was in mainland Europe, so it's an investigation. Sensitive, but it's an investigation. But again, I've come across it. I'm lucky. I've come across it with some clients to an extent. But I'm lucky because clients usually come to me because they have a problem. And generally when we're going places, they tend to listen. And I don't deal with the party clients, the asshole clients who just want somebody with them just to have somebody with them. But this is where having good communication skills is essential. And you need to understand people. How do you understand people? That comes from experience. You have to be able to read people, and you have to be able to work out what presses their buttons. Some people can be afraid. Some people don't want to lose money. You just need to work out what the click is. And it's coming across to the client to say, look, I'm working in your best interest. I'm doing my best to work in your interest. So if you want this to work, if you want me to keep you safe, if you want me to get the result that you want, then do me a favor and behave yourself. You've hired me for a reason, because you want me to solve your problem. You want me to, close protection perspective, you want me to protect you. Let me do it. But I can't do it if you are playing games. So some clients will listen, and this is where you need to have an initial briefing and make sure they understand things. Or if you're working for a company, the management should have already spoken to the client, briefed the client, and also briefed you. You should have been in on the briefing, so everybody's on the same page. But as I said, then if you have problems after that, if you're working for a company, you need to refer to the management and get them to sort the problems out if you can't deal with it, which I've done on quite a few occasions for my guys. But again, if you're working by yourself, then you need to ensure everything's on the same page with the client, and have a good rapport and have good communication skills. You know what? I'm at the stage now where my patience for a lot of bullshit is over. I can get away with a lot of things. People that are just starting can't. And the other thing as well, I'm selective with the people I work with and who I work for. If somebody's an idiot, I'm not working for them, period. I don't need the problems. So again, dealing with clients is all about communication skills. You need to educate them. A lot of them are not that, how can I put it? They're hiring you for a reason. You need to ensure that you can prove to them that they're not wasting their money, that you can do the job they've hired you to do. And if they have confidence in you, they should listen to you. Where they don't have confidence in you, then there can be a problem as far as communications is concerned. But again, this is where you need to you need to know your business to start with, and then you need to put yourself across in a professional manner. And again, I've seen people do this in the past where they try and BS clients. You know what? A client might be hiring you for a reason. It doesn't mean they're stupid. a lot of clients, if they're hiring you, they're generally successful people to start with, and they're a little bit wise because they have the money to hire you in the first place. So I'm generally very transparent with the people I deal with. I'm honest with the people I deal with. I respect the people I deal with, and I don't try and BS people, period. Be transparent, be honest, and have good communication skills. All right, little bit of advice there. Just my perspective on dealing with problematic clients. Have good communication skills, but if necessary, don't be afraid to sit them down and say, look, motherfucker, you want me to help you? Then do as you're told, or else it's not going to work. So follow me along on social media. I got a lot more of these videos up. I have an array of books up on Amazon that deals with various aspects of the close protection business, etc., etc. And we should be sorting out our courses again towards the end of 2024. So follow me along on social media. I like LinkedIn or X. We're up on other platforms, but they're BS to me. Anyway, in the meantime, be good, stay safe, stay out of trouble.